Wow, I haven't filmed in what seems like forever. Bean, you're so annoying. Hi, do I look okay? I wanted to get my monsters in it. What's up guys, it's me, obviously. Today, I'm doing a what's on my phone. Yay. No. Can you not? Okay, I don't know if it's gonna record my lock screen. Okay, I can't record my lock screen, but here's my lock screen. I'll enter a screenshot. Oh, this is my case, by the way. It's just like a normal red case, which isn't normally me. I usually get clear cases. And this is my pop socket. It's literally me. Like it's me. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the main screen. For main, I have Gmail, Amazon, Chrome, Keep, Notes. That's my favorite Notes. If you don't use that, I recommend. Blue, Settings, Gallery, Play Store, Photos, YouTube Studio, Netflix, and Spotify. Gmail, I'm not going to get into it because there's just so many emails, whatever. Amazon, it's just your usual Amazon app. Not that exciting. And then Chrome, whatever. Keep, just my notes. It's just like a bunch of stuff that I want, and then like, I actually don't need custom ideas now, but, you know, just a bunch of stuff, Christmas stuff, what I have to do in the summer, some motivation thingy, love her, she's my favorite, and then like pictures. Not that interesting. I just have Helix Jump, Subway Surfers, Starbucks. I've never used Starbucks. I just get it to look at stuff. I don't know. Flow Free and Mr. Bullet. I've literally never opened this game, actually. Okay. No! So yeah, that's what's in lame. And then school, I just have Aries, Classroom, Calculator, Read Era, Photomath, and Mathway. Aries, look at your grades. Classroom, all your classes. Calculator, duh. Read Era, it's just to read books on it if I need books for a class that I can't like get at school or whatever. Photomath, because we cheating. And then Mathway, because we also cheating. And also when I need help. And then this is not even, I don't know. I didn't want like things all over my screen, so I just left that there. And then phone, messaging, music, duh. I use Amazon Music now. I don't use Spotify. I do have Spotify in this, just in case I'm looking for a song that I used to listen to a long time ago, so I just go to it whenever I want to look at stuff. But these are all my playlists. I have workout, who knows, but it doesn't say it. And then YouTube. I honestly don't even watch YouTube that much anymore. Kind of upsetting, but it happens, you know? Don't have time for anything. And yeah, then I have TikTok. Hello. Duh. I guess I kinda like the way you know me, please. It's a nightfall to get me through it all. And my guard's down, and then you pull it. There's so many cute lesbians on my For You page. Okay, anyways. And yeah, here's my TikTok. If you want to go follow that, you can. Not that interesting. So when you scroll up for the apps, it's just literally all the apps. I don't use all of my apps, obviously. I have a bunch of stuff. Oh, I actually have Mario Kart. I'm gonna add that. Oh, I have another one. Forgot I had that one. I don't play Mario Kart. It's just there. I downloaded it the day it came out, but I just didn't ever play it because I couldn't get into it. And then I just have a crap folder. Maps, contacts, calendar, OfferUp. OfferUp, I don't use it. I've only posted one thing and nobody will buy my shoes. I just really wanted to sell them because I've only worn them a few times and they don't fit me and they don't look good on me. And nobody will buy them, so that's cool. And then calendar, contacts, maps, whatever. So like I said, oh, I have Pinterest. I genuinely forget I have things on here. We're gonna put this in that random folder. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have on my phone. That's all that was on my phone. Like I said, not that interesting. You guys wanted to see what was on my phone. Let me know any other videos you want to see. I'm gonna try to start uploading more. Honestly, school just gets like, I don't want to say in the way. No, it gets in the way. I can't even watch YouTube at this point. So I just have so much shit to do that I don't have time to just sit down and film. But I'm on break right now. I'm on fall break, so hopefully I'll have more time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.